let me show you how to use AI image generator in Canva. So the good news is you can just start your regular document. So pick your template or pick your size and kick off your project. And then when you are already in your empty document, you will need to search for Magic Media. In my case, I didn't use it just yet, so it's not on the list on the left. I see templates, elements, uploads, projects. So let's click apps and let's search for it here. It should be actually at the very top. It's one of the most popular app right now. So let's click Magic Media. And from here, you will be able to type your prompt. So a simple description for the AI to create your image. Then you can select a style and also an aspect ratio. That's a really good thing. Nowadays, many of these AI generators just give us the square image, but here we can select what kind of aspect ratio do we really need. So let's go for landscape, anime style, and I go with the prompt about Asian students learning tech. Let's see the options that Magic Media will give us. It may take a moment. Keep in mind, there's a loading bar here. You can just wait a moment, and then we got 4 options to choose from straight away. Because I select the anime style, they looks more like some kind of cartoon or comic. I think a really nice illustration. But if you are not happy with it, that's totally fine. We can keep working with AI, so you can change your prompt. So I can specify one Asian student if I want only one person in the image, and I can change the style of it as well from anime to, let's say, dreamy. And now we click generate again. So don't be afraid to kind of communicate to AI what you really need. And now we got 4 new illustrations in different style featuring only one student, because that's what I specify. Really nice. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to check the next Canva tutorial over here.